I think cabinetry and the integration of cabinetry is a huge part of everyone's lives.
Each year we try and invest in better, newer machinery to increase the quality and the efficiency of what we're producing.
I was born inside the workshop like this. I always have this in my veins.
My name's Paul Walkington and I'm one of the co-owners and managing directors here at DBJ Furniture Limited.
My name is William Haviland. The company we have is Cutting Edge Cabinetry.
My name is Eduardo Fernandes. I direct Evolution Building Solution.
We specialise in high-end and custom cabinetry. We really focus on the top-end commercial and residential sector, doing highly custom and bespoke cabinetry.
We manufacture like finished walls, kitchens. You assemble and joiner for big companies as well.
One of our main focuses is kitchens, which is for renovations and for new builds for builders that we work with. And then the other focus is the commercial side of it.
I think that the fine eye can see in luxury brands the difference between other kitchens or other pieces of cabinetry. And I think technology and machinery helps with that process as well.
We looked around at the various brands and options, but I liked the HOMAG because I already understood the mechanics of it. I had a very good run off it. I had good support from Jax with it.
We provide woodworking machinery solutions predominantly for cabinetry, joinery, anything in the woodworking space. AirTech technology is very popular in New Zealand and becoming more popular as the years go by. 80% of new edge banders we're putting into the market will have an AirTech system on them for processing laser tape.
The laser finish is really impressive. No line, so you don't have to do anything. You just put the timber there and the weights come out, it's ready. You just assemble. Nothing, no hands work anymore. Just the machine and leave everything ready for you.
We came up with a plan to get an edge bander that did both AirTech, PVC glue and PUR glue, which gave us great capability right across the spectrum to work with our melamines, acrylics, using AirTech, but also we do a lot of wood veneer here, which requires Tecton, so we use either PUR or PVC with that. Very quick to change.
For a smaller workshop where we're swapping edge tapes quite a lot, we run one kitchen and the next kitchen is a different colour. The carcass is a different colour than the doors. We're running different finishes, sometimes multiple colours on one job. Being able to switch colours quickly without changing the glue pot in and out all of the time, that's saving us quite a lot of time.
I believe when you're buying machinery, you're actually buying the company. So having backup, having quality, being able to make calls and getting called back, getting service very quickly is really important to me.
This product, you don't have to do anything. They trim, they clash, they leave everything ready for you. You don't have to waste any more time and pay somebody to do the handwork, and it's true.
So our customers are looking for reliability, they're looking for performance, they're looking for edge banders that can deliver a high quality finish consistently, that can be set up quickly for a wide variety of materials, and the HOMAG edge banders fit that bill perfectly.